What if I told you the world might be closer than ever to an HIV vaccine? After more than 40 years of research, scientists may have finally found the breakthrough that changes everything. But here's the twist, it's not what anyone expected. For decades, HIV has remained one of the most challenging viruses in human history. Millions of lives affected, billions spent on research, and still no approved vaccine. So why is it so hard to stop? And what exactly is this new game-changing discovery everyone is talking about? Let's break it down.
Asked her who will be first in line and how government plans to meet a target of up to 2 million people a year.
So the biggest bang for our buck is going to be to focus on groups of people who have the highest chance of getting HIV. So the drug is for HIV negative people, and some groups have a higher chance of becoming infected. Those groups are young women and teen girls between the ages of 15 and 24, sex workers, transgender people, and gay and bisexual men.
This rollout was supposed
HIV isn't like most viruses. First, it mutates extremely fast. That means the virus keeps changing its appearance, making it hard for the immune system to recognize and attack it. Second, HIV hides inside your own cells. Once it's inside, it becomes nearly invisible to your immune defenses. And worst of all, HIV actually attacks the immune system itself, the very thing meant to protect you. That's why, for years, every vaccine attempt failed. But everything started changing after the global fight against COVID-19. Scientists discovered a powerful new tool, mRNA technology. Companies like Moderna began using this technology to train the body in a completely different way. Instead of using weakened viruses, mRNA vaccines give your body instructions, teaching it how to recognize and fight infections before they happen. Now here's where it gets exciting. Early HIV vaccine trials using mRNA have successfully triggered something scientists have been chasing for decades: broadly neutralizing antibodies. These are rare, powerful antibodies that can recognize and fight multiple versions of HIV at once. In simple terms, this could be the key to finally stopping the virus. In early-stage trials, participants developed the exact type of immune response researchers were hoping for. This is something that had never been done successfully before at this level. Even though it's still early, scientists are calling this a proof of concept, meaning the strategy might actually work, and that's a huge deal. An effective HIV vaccine wouldn't just be another medical achievement, it could prevent millions of new infections, save millions of lives, and potentially bring us closer to ending the HIV epidemic worldwide, especially in regions like Africa, where HIV continues to impact communities the most. The journey to an HIV vaccine has been long, frustrating, and filled with setbacks. But today, thanks to new technology and smarter science, we may finally be turning a corner. The question is no longer if, but when. A large number of people are genuinely hopeful. Many posts celebrate it as a historic breakthrough. People, especially in Africa, see it as life-changing. There's strong trust in science after COVID-19 vaccines. A 2026 study analyzing thousands of posts found strong expressions of hope and trust in science across platforms. Not everyone is convinced. Some people question if it will actually work long-term. Others worry about side effects or safety. Some say, we've heard this before, where is the vaccine? This kind of reaction is normal, especially since HIV has been studied for decades without a final vaccine. This is where things get messy. Viral posts claim, HIV cure found, which is not true. Some confuse early research with a fully working vaccine. Fact-checkers found millions of views on misleading posts claiming a cure already exists. For example, they already cured HIV but are hiding it. Reality, it's still in testing, not a cure yet. This is a big part of social media reactions, claims that the vaccine is linked to past vaccines, beliefs that governments are hiding something, distrust in pharmaceutical companies. What do you think? Are we closer than ever to curing HIV? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to see it. Because this could be history in the making.